again here in a video to do the English practice, and today this video is going to be interesting because I am going to upload basically clips which I've created in the morning, because I went to a bird sanctuary, and it is kind of very interesting thing for a lot of photographers who are really professional level. So let's jump into this video, and I'm going to explore all the things which I found out there, and I'm going to express all the things as I uploaded video on English language as well. So I'm going to share all the experience what I have experienced over there. So let's get into this video. So if I talk about I've been planning to basically visit this basically bird sanctuary, and that is basically a kind of things which I want to do basically for as a photography basis. This place is very quite good, and it is managed by the government, so that is how the price is also cheaper comparison to watching a zoo, and there a lot of finding a lot of animals. So basically the cost is very minimum, such as 50 rupees you can basically get inside, and over there you will find a lot of basically birds and some sort of uh, swimming animals, such as basically small ducks and some other species such as of ducks as well. And there's a lot of basically the things I found out, and over there I found out what we say is deer. Basically I found out deer, which we called in Hindi hiran basically, and along with that I found out cows, and that is a very huge place where lot of animals are there, but some of are basically some most of them are swimming in the water, and because of that we cannot get near, and we cannot shoot them. So it is difficult, but if somebody have professional camera, so there are a lot of people who are just sitting over beside the river, and they are just trying to capture a great moment which they capture in their basically camera, and then after they do particularly whatever they want, and so they can build up a portfolio basically, because of that they get some sort of reach. So yeah, that was a very interesting journey, and which is I'm very keen to watch a lot of animals from my eyes, uh, and so I've been able to find out some sort of animals such as black deer as well I have watched today, and there are other animals such as camel, zebras. These all the things I want to basically see in upcoming days as well. And there is one which is very dominant in this business is tiger, which is kind of famous in lot of places, and there is lot of dominance in the animal world we have. And so I'm going to see that as well. In my hometown basically there is lot of them, and so it is very difficult to survive there and live there. So yeah, I'm going to see and capture that as well in upcoming days. So on this video, that is it. I just want to express more, and I hope I find it good, and I have able to express it more right. So in this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye, have a good day.